G'day, Steve Holland from Oztrail. Today bringing you a new product, the Oztrail 3D FatMat series. So here we have two products. We have a single and we also have a queen version. So measuring 750 on the single, 1500 on the queen. 198 long on both of them, but what really makes these products stand out from the others is the thickness. We have a full 150mm thickness. Ultra comfortable. Now, what also sets these mats apart from other leisure type mats on the market is their compact roll-up size. So it's a high density foam, but it squishes really flat for a tight pack up. The example of the queen here, that is the unit fully rolled up, which is just exceptional for compact size, going to fit in the boot of most small cars. So if you're after a super comfortable mat, you're sick of a sleepless night's sleep, check out the new Oztrail 3D FatMats.